This is a complete step-by-step tutorial where I will show you exactly how to use Google affiliate marketing to go from $0 to $10,000 per month without having a website, without having a large social media audience, or spending money on paid ads. I will show you everything from the best niches, choosing the right affiliate offers, and how to get traffic for free. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Dave Nick, and here are some of the results that I was able to get over the last 5 years. So we have over $500,000 in sales here and about $500,000 in withdrawals with this one single affiliate network. And affiliate marketing is basically just a process where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. And some of the key terms are just merchant, which is the creator of the product. You are the affiliate, you're promoting the product. Consumer is someone who buys it, and affiliate link is a unique URL assigned to affiliate to track sales. So basically, John is selling shoes for $200. I'm looking for shoes and I don't know where to buy them. So you step in and you tell me, hey, look, John is selling them for $200. Here's my link so you can buy them. And now John gives you $100 because you referred me. I got the shoes. I'm happy. I didn't pay extra or whatsoever. So you just get a commission for referring someone to John, because otherwise John wouldn't be able to reach me. But why are we using Google? Well, you see, as of 2024, Google holds 92.6% market share in the global search engine market, making it the most dominant search engine worldwide. And Google itself generated over $224 billion in 1 year. And you've probably seen a lot of people make money with Google, but there are just as many, if not more, who make money with this platform but without having their own website. And they're completely anonymous. You may not even know who they are. So in this video, I'm gonna boil down the entire process step by step. And just bear in mind that even though the process is simple, this requires hard work. And this as well took a lot of hard work. However, to make things easier for you, I built this step-by-step blueprint with a lot of different resources and templates that are gonna make everything 1000% easier, and it is all completely free. So you can access it for completely free. The resources inside are also completely free. To access it, you just click the second link in the description, you join our free community, you click on tools, you open up this post, and there you're gonna find this Google Affiliate Marketing Starter Blueprint. You click on that, that opens up this document over here. You're just gonna click on File, make a copy, and just make a copy to add it to your own Google Drive, so that way you can follow along with this tutorial. Step number 1 is choosing the right niche for yourself. I left a step-by-step guide which talks about how to choose the right niche for you, and I genuinely believe if you follow this step-by-step guide for real, you will be able to find the right niche for yourself that is also profitable. But you can also open up this blog article that I've linked, and it talks about 7 best niches for affiliate marketing. Now in this case, I'm gonna be going with the niche that is helping YouTube creators get more views and grow their YouTube channels fast. Step 1 completed. Now step number 2 is choosing the right affiliate offer. So I left out a list of the best reoccurring affiliate offers, and it also gives you the commission rates so you know exactly how much you're going to be paid. But if you also want to find a bunch of different software companies to promote as an affiliate, especially AI tools, you can go to futuretools.io, and then you can search for the keywords related to your niche, and it's going to show you a bunch of different tools that you can promote or that you can find, and then try to see if they have an affiliate program. So let's say, for example, we have this tool over here. All I got to do is open it up, go to the AI tool, or in this case ChatGPT. They definitely don't have an affiliate program, but if I go to this one over here, we can see that they do actually have an affiliate program. So I can just click on affiliates, and we can see that I would be paid $59 on each sale. So I'm going to click on become an affiliate to sign up. Once you find the right affiliate offer for yourself, you can then create an avatar. To do this, you're going to open up this document, and this is going to be very, very useful. These are the things that 99% of people are never going to do, but this is what actually makes a difference. So just make a copy of this document so that you can make changes to it. And once you make a copy, really think about who you're trying to target, but genuinely think about all of the characteristics of that avatar so that every single time that you try to promote this affiliate offer, you have that person in mind. Step number 4, now you can also create some bonuses to incentivize people to sign up to these offers using your affiliate links instead of just going directly to the website. You can, for example, just go to this platform called freeplrdownloads.com, and there you can find a bunch of these different books that you can promote or that you can download, and you can resell them or you can give them away for free. You're just gonna download it with one press of a button. They have PLR rights, which is private label rights. Just click on the download button here and it's gonna be onto your computer. Now in my case, I could probably be giving away one of these resources that I already built. For example, I can give away the YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint, which talks about how to launch your channel, and because that's my target audience, I can say, hey, if you sign up to this software company using my affiliate link, you're also gonna get a bonus, which is a full starter blueprint, which talks about how to launch your channel or how to grow your channel, whatever it might be. That's really an optional step. So then the step number 5, you just want to open up this AI tool called Claude AI. This is like a ChatGPT alternative. It's also a AI language learning model that will allow you to enter specific prompts and then it will give you specific results. In this case, we have a prompt where you can just fill in the brackets or change the variables in the brackets, describe your target avatar, and just press enter. And then based on that, Claude AI will give you different recommendations as to what kind of blog articles you can publish to attract that specific target avatar. Now, once you have the blog post ideas, then you're going to use the second part, which is this prompt over here that you're going to copy. You're then going to go back to Claude. You're going to paste that here, change the variables in the brackets. In this case, I'm going to say 2000 word blog article titled, and I will just take something that I believe will get more clicks. I'm not going to take a full thing like 10 proven strategies. That I think it just makes it way too long. So I'm just going to remove that part and I'm going to say skyrocket your YouTube views without posting daily. I think that's pretty good. And the keyword that I'm trying to target is grow on YouTube. And I wanted to repeat it every 500 words. Now, based on this, Claude AI will start writing the entire blog post for me. Now, bear in mind that since we're going to be using AI, you do want to humanize it. So you just want to go to humanizeai.pro. This is like a free tool, the only free one that I found. There's a lot of alternative ones, but they are not free. And I think this one is completely free. So you can basically just take the entire blog article and you're just going to paste it here and click humanize. So now it's going to rewrite it in 15 seconds to make it more realistic so that people can notice that it's written by AI. Next up, we are going to be using this platform to promote our blog post for free. And this is the platform that smart affiliate marketers are using because they can rank pretty high on Google without having their own website. Like if you search for how to grow on YouTube, the first article that shows up is from the platform called Medium. And Medium actually gets about 150 million visits per month. And it also ranks pretty high on Google for a lot of different keywords. You can sign up to it for completely free. You will then click on the right and then you're going to paste the title here from Claude. Then I'm just going to take the rewritten article from here. I'm going to paste it here. I can also optimize it properly to make sure that it all makes sense. And for example, to separate parts, I'm going to do this. To insert some images in between to make it more realistic and more engaging, I'm going to click on this icon and then I can search for whatever is related to the blog article that I'm posting. So in this case, I'm talking about YouTube. I'm going to go to Claude and I'm going to say that I want to promote some tool or some software as an affiliate that helps people do whatever it helps them do. In this case, it helps them boost their views. And I'm going to ask it to make a 1-sentence call to action that I can copy and paste. I can also ask it for multiple variations. And if this is going to be the software company that I'm going to be promoting as an affiliate, because they do have an affiliate program and I know that it works, I made over $500 with this one single affiliate program, then I'm just going to go back to my blog article. I'm going to create a call to action. I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to go back and copy my affiliate link. If I'm going to use this tool, then my affiliate link is right over here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to highlight this part and just simply insert my affiliate link so that if someone is reading this blog article, they can click on it and then I'm going to earn a commission if they actually purchase this software or whatever product you are promoting as an affiliate. Then if you have an affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission from it. So just click publish. You can add some keywords over here. In this case, it's going to be YouTube growth or grow on YouTube. And then I'm going to publish this onto Medium where I can get traffic from the platform and also Google. Again, keep in mind that you're not just going to post one blog article and that's instantly going to make you money. You have to create very high quality articles that are not just purely AI, but are also worked on and rewritten so that they are realistic. And you're going to be posting at least 5 of these every single day for at least 30 days straight to start getting some traction, to start getting views, and potentially start getting sales and affiliate commissions. Hopefully this entire blueprint and all the resources that I left for completely free are going to make it a little bit easier for you. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, just drop a like and I will see you in some of the next ones.